Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can find stashes in Rust. So what you'll need to do is search around the sleeping bags, so people put around the sleeping bag stashes, and I have some methods to find. So the first method is go around with the hammer and hit it like this, and it eventually pops out, or you'll hear the hit sound like something like this. And then you can press E and try to take that stash. And if you, let's say, put something here in the stash, I will hide it. And if you put a foundation over it, it should pop up after 10 seconds or even more. As you can see, the grenade popped out that I put in the stash. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you find stashes in Rust. See you in the next one.